Minimalism meets comfort. The advantages of hybrid RV camping. In a world that often glorifies excess and material possessions, many individuals are seeking a simpler, more minimalist lifestyle. This desire for simplicity and a focus on experiences rather than belongings has led to the rise of minimalism. And when it comes to camping, one option that perfectly blends minimalism with comfort is hybrid RV camping. In this article, we will explore the advantages of embracing minimalism through hybrid RV camping and how it can enhance your camping experience. 1. Downsizing and decluttering. Hybrid RVs are designed with space optimization in mind. The compact size encourages campers to downsize their belongings and declutter their lives. This process of simplification allows you to focus on the essentials and prioritize what truly matters. By freeing yourself from the burden of excessive possessions, you can create a more organized and peaceful living space within your RV. The minimalist approach to packing and living in a hybrid RV promotes a sense of freedom and lightness during your camping adventures. 2. Enhanced connection with nature. Hybrid RV camping provides a unique opportunity to connect with nature on a deeper level. By embracing minimalism and reducing your reliance on material possessions, you can immerse yourself in the beauty and serenity of the natural environment. The smaller footprint of a hybrid RV allows you to camp in more secluded and off-grid locations, bringing you closer to pristine wilderness areas. This close proximity to nature fosters a sense of tranquility, mindfulness, and appreciation for the world around you. 3. Simplified lifestyle. Living in a hybrid RV encourages a simplified lifestyle. With limited space, you are prompted to be intentional with your choices and prioritize what truly matters. The minimalist mindset extends beyond material possessions to encompass experiences, relationships, and personal well-being. Hybrid RV camping provides an opportunity to disconnect from the distractions of modern life and focus on quality time with loved ones, outdoor activities, and personal growth. The simplicity of the camping lifestyle allows for a more relaxed and stress-free experience. 4. Increased mobility and flexibility. Hybrid RVs are designed to be lightweight and highly maneuverable. The compact size and versatility allow for greater mobility and flexibility in your camping adventures. You can easily explore a variety of camping destinations, from established campgrounds to remote and less traveled areas. The minimalist approach to camping means less time spent on setup and maintenance, allowing you to make the most of your time in nature. The ability to adapt and go wherever the road takes you adds a sense of adventure and exploration to your camping trips. The hybrid RV camping offers a perfect blend of minimalism and comfort for those seeking a simpler, more intentional way of camping. By downsizing and decluttering, embracing a simplified lifestyle, connecting with nature, enjoying increased mobility and flexibility, and promoting environmental consciousness, you can experience the advantages of minimalism while still enjoying the comforts of RV camping. Embrace minimalism meets comfort with hybrid RV camping and embark on a camping journey that aligns with your values, enhances your well-being, and creates lasting memories. Camping is our happy place.